Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to open FaceTime right now. Tap the app on the home screen. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. FaceTime won't connect otherwise. Once signed in, choose a contact using the search bar or tap the plus icon. This is your first actionable step. If you need video, pick video. For audio only, pick audio. Also make sure camera and microphone permissions are allowed. You're set to start the call immediately after selecting the person. Once you've started the call, focus on optimizing the experience. Tap the screen to reveal controls and flip the camera if you want to show something. You can mute your mic, enable effects like portrait blur, or add a filter for lighting. These are practical for clarity and privacy. If connection stutters, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and switch Wi-Fi networks or enable cellular data for FaceTime in settings. This resolves most mid-call quality. To finish, tap End. Simple. After the call, use recents to redial quickly or share a contact for future calls. If FaceTime won't connect, first toggle FaceTime off and on in settings, then restart your iPhone. That often clears glitches. Make sure your Apple ID is active and your network allows FaceTime. Some carriers or regions block it. As a key troubleshooting tip, check settings cellular FaceTime is enabled and test on a different Wi-Fi to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.